Assalamualaikum and very good morning, madam. So the title of our project is JMK Warehouse System. So the team member in our group is, the first one is Nick Muhammad HAFIQ bin Nick ZULKIFLI, SYAFI bin Abdul Razak, me Muhammad AMIR FARIS bin Muhammad NAWI, and the last one is SYAZZWAN ARIFF bin Abdul Samad. So why we choose this topic? So we chose this topic is because we want to make sure the warehouse work more efficient so that the speed and the productivity of the warehouse will increase. So we also want to reduce the uses of paper in the recording system, and perhaps it will increase the company profit because we will cut the unnecessary cost and budget for the paper.
Type of project methodology that we use in our project is agile methodology. This is example of agile methodology that we develop in our system. So why we choose agile methodology? Agile methodology able to enhance the speed of delivery. Agile data warehousing aims to improve time to value. It also helps our company to see quantifiable results fast and reinforce our goals. These methods allow for a more collaborative approach to delivering benefits sooner. So when the data is iterate faster and results could be seen quicker, so then better judgment and decision could be made sooner too. Besides, this methodology also enhance the predictability of our delivery. So implementing agile methodology may help our project to improve the forecasting of the delivery. With better predictability and forecasting, this will sustain the credibility of our team and simultaneously improve our customers' tolerance toward the product delivery, since they knew what to expect from the current or future sprints. Besides, agile methodology also be able to increase our flexibility. This methodology is considered important for our project because it will be able to adapt to unanticipated external economic changes such as economic swings, change in technology, or change to customer demands. Lastly, using agile methodology in our project able to reduce our risks. This is because the main concept of agile methodology is to segregate the tasks into smaller chunks. This will enhance the efficiency in managing risk as well as reducing the complexity of the task. So, implementing agile may give our project a series of minor setbacks and even victories along the road. Conclusively, agility in warehouse system play a key part in ensuring that the company meets its productivity goals. We also add efficiency, consistency, and quality control to the process by helping us to move our goods through our warehouse at maximum speeds, also improving every stage of the fulfillment process.
Now I'm gonna talk about our system testing technique. The technique that we use is boundary value analysis. For the module, we use our product. Our warehouse only receive product that come in range 100 to 1000 item. If any of the item were below or above limit, the product will be rejected. Now for our test case, for positive test, the user need to have access to the warehouse system, need to log in the system as a staff or an admin, enter the product amount that will be stored in the warehouse, enter product amount in the range of 100 to 1000, the product will not be rejected because it is in our valid range. This is the result as expected. As you can see here, the amount of received product can be recorded. This is because our tester put a valid range. Test data 101, 200, 255, and 523. Now for the negative test, same. The user need to access to the system warehouse, need to log in as a staff or admin, enter the product that will be stored in the warehouse. But this time the product amount will be outside the range 100 to 1000. the product will be rejected. Here you can see the test data 99, 0, -1 and 4000. And for the result, it is as expected. The amount of received product cannot be recorded. That's all.
So first is configuration management. First is planning. A configuration management plan details how you will record, track, control, and audit configuration. This document is often part of the project quality management plan. Second is identification. All configuration requirements on project should be identified and recorded. This includes functionality requirements, design requirements, and any other specifications. The completion of this process results in the configuration baseline for the project. Third is control. As the project scope is altered, the impact on the configuration must be assessed, approved, and documented. This is normally done within the project change control process. Status accounting. Track your project's configuration at all times. You should be able to tell your configuration version and have a historical record of all of the old versions. It's crucial to have an account of all versions so you can trace changes throughout the project. And lastly is audit. This includes any tests to prove that the product conforms with the configuration requirements. Let's say you build a report that must run within 10 seconds. The audit tests to see if the finished report actually runs that fast. Often, audits and checks will be built in at the completion of major project phases. This is so you can identify issues early.
That's all from us.